Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. So, I am here to show you all of my planners and notebooks from April. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, I appreciate you so much. And if you're not subscribed already and you like videos like this, please do so. This is a channel full of planning and sharing planner supplies and filled out planners. So that's kind of what I do here. Okay, so we're going to go through a couple things. So this is my social media, my wellness planner, my catch-all. This is just my list notebook and my journal. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with list notebook and show you what's going on in here, and I will go one by one. I don't think I've added too much since the last video, but in case you're curious, I wanted to show you this setup. And in case you didn't watch the last video, maybe you're curious. So this is just a happy planner notebook. It's an A5. It's dot grid, and what I do in here, I keep my different planner lineups from year to year. So I transferred them over from another notebook I had. I have my planner inventory. So I have my daily planners that I haven't used, unused planners. I have my extension packs. I have out-of-dated planners. Then I left one page blank, and then I have 2025 goals for myself, and then a couple empty pages. We have AM and PM routine. Stickers are from Crafty Planner Queen. Most of these stickers that are florals are from Easter Case. So we have 10 life lessons, 10 habits of highly confident people, things that make me happy, things that make me sad, habits to make and habits to break, how to hack your happy hormones, human behavior truths, valuable lessons in life, mindset shifts, and then lessons in leadership. So bosses versus leaders. And I do have a couple extra decorated pages in here that I will use as I have more lists that I want to transfer into here. So that is kind of what I'm doing in this notebook, and that doesn't change, and it will probably travel with me from year to year. It's just a fun little thing of like tidbits and stuff that I want to keep. Okay. I also do things like that in my regular journal. So this is a Lloydstrom 1917, and it is also an A5, just a bullet journal. So I do have a content page. I do have some stuff in the back that I have that I jot down here and there, but not too much. So we're going to go into April 2025. These stickers are from sticker books from Easter Case. They're truly lovely. These stickers are from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. I had a couple goals for this month. A lot of them did not get done, but a lot of them did. So let me go ahead and mark this off. So I have started new medications. I did that. Workout 4 to 5 times a week. Did not do that. 2 dates with Alec. That happened. Get together with friends. That did happen, and finish closet edit. So yeah. I got my new iMac, which is super exciting because my old one was like 11 years old and it was so slow. I offered it to my sister. She picked it up, and when she started it, she said, "I have a patient of a Buddhist monk." That's how slow it was. I do write my currencies in here, and then different things that happen throughout the month. So nothing too crazy. And I do write my best memory in here. This page is just a printout of one of the dashboards from Planner Press that I'm subscribed to. Then we have my regular journal. These stickers are from Easter Case, just like those little books and stuff that I have on the side all over. I use them. And that's what they look like. They're kind of fun. I have not been coloring any of this stuff in, you guys, for like any of this. So this planner for the year will be like so, where the writing is with these black lettering that is not colored in, but the stickers are colored. So I had a date with my dog. I took him to PetSmart. We walked around. We got some stuff. Look how stunning and vibrant these stickers are, you guys. So they are from Easter Case, like I said. They are these little books called Garden and stuff. That's where I've been kind of sourcing stickers from. And I thought that was a lot of fun. And then I did blue on this one. I had a date night, dinner with my family, Easter, so lots of family time. That was good. And then not much more. We did a walks with Toa. Um, I had a headache that day, and we go into May. So that's what May looks like. Okay, so let me put this onto the side. Let me pull my social media planner. So this is a dashboard planner. I call it Becomes What Inspires You. I'm not sure what the true name of it is. It is an 18-month planner. Let me go to April and show you. Okay, so this is my, oh my goodness, so hard to turn. These are plastic discs, so they're a little bit harder to turn than when I have it on my regular planner, because I only carry 1 month at a time out of each of these planners. There's a couple planners that I'm not sharing this time. My Mio planner is still kind of in the works this month. I'm doing some changes and stuff, so that's why I haven't shared it for April. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So my currently page was made with Spring Love from Live Love Posh, and I'm just tracking the videos that you guys liked the most. This is my monthly for my social media, and again, it's Spring Allure from Live Love Posh. I thought that came out kind of cute. Then I have this one, and these are stickers from Easter Case. Again, from one of those like smaller books that I have, and I think it is stunning. Then same thing with this one, it's just florals from Easter Case, and I really enjoy how that's been coming out. I am tracking a couple things, so to film, to edit, and to publish. So those are kind of the things that I've been doing. This is also from Easter Case. Same sticker book. It's just lots of flowers in those. Been kind of doing the same thing. And same thing here. So the same book from Easter Case. And then we have my currently page for May in here. So that was my social media. Let's go ahead and move into my meal planner. And this one, let's see. What did I do in this one? Oh, I don't even remember. Okay. So I go back and I write a couple of our favorite meals for the month, and I do write meals that was rotating for our dog, because I do cook for him and I do balance out his meals with vitamins, but he mostly gets homemade food grade meals. So for us, one of our favorite meals this month were Mary Me chicken with potatoes, birria tacos with beans, and pasta with pork chops. And then, as you can see, the meals for Toa were um quite a lot of ingredients. So he gets like turkey, quinoa, carrots, sweet peas, and then I balance it with his vitamins. So, and then he had beef, millet, carrots, peppers, and then like bell peppers that I chop up for him. and then pork, rice, carrots, and peas. This is a monthly that I don't use every month, but I still make it because it's kind of fun to have a beautiful monthly in your planner. This is called Luke's Spring from Live Love Posh. And again, I don't know if I said that, this is a vertical planner. It is called Exotic Borders. And then this particular sticker book, it was the Lux Spring from Live Love Posh. Then I did this one, and this one's not filmed. I just kind of like threw some stickers together. It's been a busy month, so I've been doing some filming, but probably not nearly as much as I used to. I choose to film my catch-all every time. However, my wellness is not something that I film um, as consistently as I used to. So again, just fun florals from the Happy Planner. I took pink and orange stickers, kind of spread them around. I thought that came out pretty good, very different. Then this is called Denim Daisy from a Crafty Planner Queen. Her stickers are incredible. As you can see, I went out a couple times. I've been eating pretty healthy. We have chicken and rice, chicken and pork, stir fries, so not too bad, pretty nutritious and healthy. We have Marry Me chicken, tacos, chicken strips, and stuff like that. And then on here, I do track the same thing every time. So it is whether I took my meds or not, how I felt that day, how much I slept, and how much I moved. Um, And then this one is from Easter Case. Is from like the seed sticker book. So that's what's going on in here. I just did a yellow, and then this is a Happy Planner washi tape that I included in here. So that's what that looks like. And then we go into a crazy currency page on this one. And yeah, this is also from Easter Case. And then I will show you the rest of the stuff when we flip through May. Okay, and last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and share this one with you. So this one is called Sketchy Florals. It is a classic size Happy Planner, and it is a vertical layout. All of my planners are classic, in case you were wondering. Let me show you what this one entails. So my currently page on this one is with Spring Allure from Live Love Posh. Buying not much, feeling hopeful, planning Easter dinner, eating lots of homemade meals, drinking sparkling water and cold brew. I was reading How to Read a Book. This is really like a cute, heartfelt story. I highly recommend that book. Celebrating Easter, trying making pottery, which I went to a pottery wheel class, and that was actually really good. It came out pretty good. I get to pick it up in like 3 more weeks, I believe. So we'll see how the end result is. But yeah, so far so good. And then Smallville with Alec is what I'm watching. That show is just all over the place, you guys. And then this is my monthly. This is Hello Spring from Live Love Posh. It is one of her older books. As you can see, I'm just crossing stuff out. So this time I just used a highlighter in my monthly, and I think that looks good. I think I'll be alternating here and there where I'm going to be doing highlighters versus like my boxes. So we'll see how it goes, but this is where I am right now. And yeah, this sticker book was so stunning. I love when I pull out like a retro book and like I feel inspired. Then this one is something newer from Kistatic Plans. It's called Junk Journaling, and this is what it came out like after the pen. It is very like earthy tones. and neutral tones, so it is much different. I did do a big box up here, so that was kind of fun and different, a very different spread for me. Then this one is called um, Love Spring from Live Love Posh, and then or Spring Love from Live Love Posh, and then I used some pet tape. So all of these I could girls and dresses, and these little things are my pet tapes. The rest was from the sticker book, Spring Love from Live Love Posh, and I think that came out stunning. Let's see. So I kept getting notifications that my new iMac will be coming, so I kept putting it into the planner, and it wasn't happening. As you can see, we were watching Smallville here. We went to dinner with Alex's mom. Oh, I read a book called Mona X Out. That was a very good book. This is not the ending that I was expecting, but yeah. We had some snow in April, which, it happens, right? Then I had this one, so I do have a side little to-do list in here because that was a busy week. This is the Easter week, so lots of preparation. And for us, it was quite a few days. So I had my family over on Saturday, and then we went to 2 different places on Sunday, so quite a bit. This is called Floral Element Stickers from Easter Case, the company that makes them. It's ZABC, and these are so stunning and so vibrant. I could not get enough of that one. And of course, I combined it with boxes from um, Mojo Jojo plants. But yeah, I thought this purple was quite fun with all of the lavender in here. So I'm gonna put that back. And then another purple spread because why not? So this one is For the Love of Books from Castelic Plants. It is very like soft and elegant and elevated. I did enjoy that one. I did pull a couple elements from like the purple book, like this one, couple butterflies just to kind of fill in some space. Not very much, just like I said, little things. But yeah, it looks like it was a good spread to me at least. I do like that one. A lot of things did not get done this week as I was pretty busy at work and I had pretty long work days. Like if you look up here, I was at work till 8:15. Fill this one because I know I left at 6 because I was picking up my dog. But yeah, so that's what this looked like, and I really enjoy having this type of spreads in my planner where they're very full, but they're yet very functional. The function of this is what makes me pretty happy about planning and spreads like that. But that is it, and this is the currently for May in this planner, and that is all I have for you guys. I hope you had fun. Let me know what you think about these spreads, and I can't wait to connect with you very soon. Like I said, if you're still here, thank you. Leave me a comment. Let me know which spread is your favorite. Let me know which spread you really didn't like. And if you're not subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.